What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So, I finally got my hands on some of the vegan chicken nuggets, Nuggs. I've been wanting to try these for a very long time now because I've heard so much about them, and so I'm very excited to try these today and let you know what I think. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here, I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So I've tried these out, and to give my thoughts, they were a lot crispier than other vegan chicken nuggets I've had. They actually reminded me of fast food chicken nuggets. They kind of made me think of McDonald's chicken nuggets or Wendy's chicken nuggets. Overall, I don't think these are the best vegan chicken nuggets I've had, but they were still good and they were different from what I usually get. And they did have that fast food chicken nugget nostalgia, so I still think I would buy these on occasion. If you want to try these out, I got mine at a Lowe's Food. If you don't have one of those near you, I've heard you can also get these at Sam's Club, or you can get them straight from the Nuggs website, which I'll have linked down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video. Share it with a friend. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.